Narendra Modi has taken oath as India's Prime Minister for a historic third consecutive term. Narendra Modi took the reins in 2014 after the Bharatiya Janata Party won clear majority in the Lok Sabha elections 10 years ago. In 2019 elections, the BJP once again swept the mandate, with Modi becoming Prime Minister for a second time. And now, Prime Minister Modi has equalled the record of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, becoming only the second person after the Congress statesman to become India's Prime Minister for 3 consecutive terms. Some of the BJP heavyweights who made a comeback are Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, Nitin Gadkari and Dr. S. Jaishankar. The ministries will be allocated to the leaders later. It is widely believed that all these leaders will retain their portfolios from 2019. To remind our viewers, during the BJP-led NDA second term in power, Amit Shah was the Home Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman was India's Finance Minister, Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, and Dr. S. Jaishankar, India's Foreign Minister. 30 of the 72 ministers sworn in on Sunday are cabinet ministers, 5 independent charge and 36 ministers of state. The portfolios will be announced later. H.D. Kumaraswamy of the Janata Dal Secular was the first leader from any of the BJP's allies in the National Democratic Alliance to take oath. Soon after, Janata Dal United leader Lalan Singh, a close aide of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, also took oath. Several top industrialists and movie stars like Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar were also there at the high-profile event in India's national capital, New Delhi. Over 8,000 guests and dignitaries witnessed the grand event at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The global leaders in attendance included top leaders and heads of state from Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Mauritius, as well as Maldives, the Bangladesh Prime Minister and Seychelles Vice President as well.
In recent years, the relationship has been marked by close contacts at all levels, trade.
A new government has been formed in India. Narendra Modi has been sworn in as the Prime Minister of the country for a third consecutive term. Along with him, scores of his coalition allies, partners have taken the oath. Well, former Karnataka Chief Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy was the first coalition member to take the oath as a minister.
Kumaraswamy, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
Following him, Hindustani Awam Morcha's chief Jitan Ram Manjhi took the oath as minister in the new union cabinet headed by Narendra Modi.
कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा।
After him, JDU leader Rajiv Ranjan Singh took oath as a minister.
मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं संघ के मंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा तथा मैं भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या देश के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति
TDP MP Kinjarapuram Mohan Naidu also took oath as a minister. He now becomes the youngest ever member of the central cabinet.
That I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the Union, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution.
Well, following him, LGP Ram Vilas leader Chirag Paswan took oath of office after being inducted in the new union cabinet headed by Prime Minister Modi. The two-time MP from Hajipur has been inducted into the NDA 3.0 cabinet. His party had won all the 5 seats it contested in Bihar. And finally, the first lot of Maharashtra MPs to be inducted in the Union Cabinet is newly elected Shiv Sena MP Pratap Rao Jadhav. Leaders from BJP's coalition parties have also taken the oath as member of state. These include Ramdas Athawale, the president of the Republican Party of India, and Anupriya Patel, the party chief of Apna Dal, have taken the oath as member of state in the independent charge. Along with them, JDU leader and son of former Bihar Chief Minister Karpurti Thakur, Ramnath Thakur and Jayant Chaudhary, the leader of the RLD party, took the oath as Minister of State in Prime Minister Modi's third Council of Ministers.
In the name of God.
Following them, founder and CEO of UWorld TDP's Chandrasekhar has taken the oath as the Minister of State.
Chandrasekhar, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.